all-new White Rock Dodge, and in this episode of Hammie's Hellcat, we're going to install some new parts. It's top, right there. My pretty face. In this episode, we're going to install the Legmaker intake, the RIPATUNED Incognito Pulley. We're also going to do an Incognito Pulley on Lucas's Hellcat while we're here.
I'm Lucas. That's my Hellcat.
Let's get to it.
Morning coffee.
There's a big hole in this car now.
That's the way we like them.
What are you going to do about that?
I'm going to stuff it with the Legmaker. That's not something you should put on the internet.
It would be easier to just cut the zap straps and then re-zap strap it later. Can't really see much.
Classifies all the heartbreak I can read.
What am I doing wrong? There's not a lot of space to the balancer.
Oh yeah. Doesn't need much.
No, I'm just going to trim it a little bit. It's actually not the timing cover. It's the, well, I guess it is considered the timing cover, but it's the mount for the AC. Well, as such, when you buy aftermarket parts, sometimes you need to do a little bit of extra trimming to make it fit. That's what we do. Minor delay. Well, you do them all. I'm just putting this one in loose.
You have that third one?
No, it's on the socket.
Hope it has better luck for you. Just lay plans, minimize. Don't always fall, sin and vice.
Seems tight for 40.
I also don't like that there's no washer. Alright, so we got the pulley in on this one. I just had to make a few minor modifications and it's all in there. We're just going to do the exact same thing on Lucas's car, and then we will put everything back together and on to the next thing. Almost there. Alright, so other than putting the underbody panels on, we are finished under here. The pulley's on, belts are on, the fan's back in. Gotta do a couple little things up top to button it up, put the underbody panels on, and on to the next thing.
Under other baby shoes, never worn. Hope it was just a gift for someone. Picked up to call the number, feeling torn. Pregnant all.
Yeah, this behind before. No.
Then I hear them come undone. This late plans, then is mice. Don't always fall sin and vice. Wanna see where hope dies. Read the classified.
Alright, so we got the pulley installed into both. It's complete, car's running great. We also installed the Legmaker intake, and this week we will be doing the wheels, tires, and the suspension as we ran out of time today. And then we will line it back up for the dyno so we can see how much more power it made. watching another episode of Hammie's Hellcat. If you like this video, leave us a like on our Facebook page. For now, Turbo out.
We're professionals, don't worry.